Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to add admin on Messenger group. So firstly, just open your Messenger application on your mobile and go to your group. So in the right corner, you can see that I button, just tap on it. After clicking on this, you have to scroll down a little bit and you can see the option here, see members, just click on it. And now you can see the whole members of your group. And you can see this option admin here, just tap on it. After clicking on this admin option, you can see the admin of this group if you want to add another admin on it. So now just get back to all members, and now you want to make this person admin of your group. So simply just tap on this person, and when you click on this person's profile icon, you can see these options here. And in this options, on the second one, you can see add as admin. Simply just tap on it. So they are showing some things that as a group admin, this person will manage the group and remove members from the conversation. They will be able to remove their admins. So if you are sure, just tap on this add admin button. Now just go for this admins again, and you can see this person is admin now this group have two admins, and you have successfully made this person admin for this group. So that's how you can add admin for Messenger groups. If this video helped you out, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.